Hello there.
Hi.
Welcome back to We Made It.
I'm Corey.
I'm BJ.
We're the Mays.
We are.
And we made it. Or we're about to.
We're about to.
We are switching gears. We've done a lot of tequila.
We have.
And vodka.
Yeah.
Some gin.
Some gin.
And we're going to do a bourbon drink this time.
Yes.
Which honestly, we're both a little excited about.
Yeah.
So BJ has always been a big bourbon fan. Well,
yes.
has been for quite a long time.
For a while.
And he's slowly dragging me along in his wake. I am learning how to be
Corrupting her.
a bourbon drinker. So that's kind of what we're doing. This one is called the Anytimer.
Anytimer.
And I believe it's from Bullet Bourbon.
Yes,
So I
Bullet
believe it is
Bourbon.
one of their recipes that we found on Pinterest.
Yes. We don't happen to have
We
any
don't.
Bullet Bourbon in the house.
Sorry, Bullet. If you want to send us some,
Oh, we'll totally drink it.
totally take it. We've had it before and we love it.
It's very nice. We're just out
We're
right
just
now.
out and we happen to have something else. We won't name your competitor.
I might.
All right, so we're going to make a double.
We're going to make a double, so...
3 ounces?
3 ounces of bourbon.
Of bourbon. Here is your 3 ounce mark.
With our apologies to Bullet because we are using not Bullet.
Sorry. But we do love Buffalo Trace.
We love Buffalo Trace.
We actually toured the distillery a couple summers ago in our shaker.
You got some ice in there already?
Not yet.
Not
I'll
yet.
do that. I know you said last time do it first, but
That's all right.
it splashes less that way.
It splashes less that way.
Being lazy.
3 ounces of bourbon.
Letting you do all the work.
We're going to do 2 ounces of lemon juice.
Good.
For our double.
Just lemon juice. If you can't buy the good stuff in the bottle, if you can't find it, just squeeze your own. 1 ounce is not, 2 ounces is not very many lemons.
1 ounce per drink, 2 ounces total.
Yep.
Because there's 2 of us.
There's 2 of us.
Sure.
It wouldn't be as much fun if it was just me.
No. In a number of ways.
I mean, I'm not sure you would watch if it was just me.
It would be
Especially
creepy.
if it was just him.
If it was just me, oh, that'd be so boring.
How much orange juice are we adding?
We're going to do 1 ounce per drink, so 2 ounces for our double. Same amount as our lemon.
Orange juice. We do buy fairly decent orange juice, but you don't have to squeeze your own oranges.
No, don't do that.
Just go buy orange juice.
Probably not worth it.
Ain't nobody that bougie.
Wow. All right, so are we going to put the simple syrup in or no?
Well, we're going to talk about that because, listen, the recipe calls for simple syrup and amaretto.
Amaretto.
Which, okay, we're old AF. And amaretto is like drinking candy.
It's so sweet.
It's like drinking maple syrup straight. So we, I think, are going to try it without the simple syrup.
And just see how we do.
And then we can adjust.
All right. Let's see how we like it. We're live experimenting in your browser, on your mobile device right now.
And this is how we make drinks.
It is.
We'll just try something. If we don't like it, we'll add something or we'll dump it. No. That rarely happens.
Why in the world did I buy
I have no
this
idea.
bottle
because
of
we
amaretto?
don't drink amaretto, really. So
Not this
we're going to
much.
have this for like 10 years.
Goodness. Okay, so we're doing a half an ounce per drink,
Yep,
1 ounce total of amaretto. In she goes. I'm sorry, I need 2 hands for this bottle.
Right?
It's like leaded glass.
So I think that's probably going to be sweet enough, but we will see. Oh, don't splash it everywhere. Okay.
Nicely done.
Thanks. Can you put some of that ice in our rocks glasses
sure
while
can.
I shake loudly?
All right, let's just test it out.
So we're going to taste this and just see what we think.
Just going to do one of those.
You can just suck it.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I said you can just suck it.
I can just suck it.
You can just suck it. You don't have to do that.
All right, you just suck it.
I will.
And just tell me what you think. Does it need that little bit of extra sweetness?
Oh, it might.
It might still. That orange and the lemon is still quite a lot.
Yep.
All right, we stand corrected. We'll go back to the way the recipe was written. Fine.
But like maybe half, right? Like a half an ounce?
They were calling for a half an ounce per drink. Let's just add...
Let's do a half an ounce.
A half an ounce total. Just stir it with a straw. Just stir it with a straw. I'm not going to reshake that. You know what? That did it.
Yep.
That's good.
Okay.
Just like that. Do we have enough now to actually put it in our glasses?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're
I
good?
took like 2 little sips each.
You did.
Or were you just like guzzling it?
I don't remember. If you drink fast enough, you don't know how much you
don't
had.
remember. Oh, look at that.
That was
like,
a really good
it's
pour.
like we planned it. Like, if we hadn't taken those sips, it may not have fit.
That's unbelievable. Cheers.
They match you.
Is that right? Look at that. It's like we planned it.
Camouflage. I just... And it's so much better in the glass than with the straw because you get the
Get your face in it.
aroma of the bourbon and the orange juice.
Amaretto, just that
amaretto.
little sweetness and almond and
Because amaretto smells amazing, even though it's like candy. It does smell amazing.
it's super good.
I mean, like I used to drink Amaretto Stone Sours in college. How did I do that? How do I have any lining in my throat and
Because it's
stomach
just all
anymore?
acid. Yeah, just because what's in an Amaretto Stone Sour? It's amaretto, and orange juice.
orange juice, and sweet and sour mix.
Oof.
Yeah.
So amaretto is the only liquor in it.
Yeah, it wasn't for like getting liquored. It was because candy drink.
Right, sure. Oh, this is way better than an Amaretto Stone Sour. This is like grown-up version of an Amaretto Stone Sour.
But it's sort of a nod to it with the amaretto and the orange juice and the lemon juice.
The citrus, yeah.
It just has bourbon in it.
It's just got bourbon.
Bourbon makes everything better. So we'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and like the video. Tell your friends.
Make them drinks.
Make them drinks. Always make your friends drinks.
Make this drink and tell us what you think.
Oh, it's so good. I already know what I think.
And, you know, you're not going to hurt our feelings if you hated it because we literally just made it for the first time right here with you.
Yep.
On We Made It.
We made it.
Cheers. Yeah.
Is that pretty much it?
Probably.
Almost everything else goes in the shaker.
Almost everything goes in the shaker.
It makes us feel clever and like real bartenders.
Well, it's just good to shake things up.
It is.
Gotta mix it.
Ah, I see what you did there. Gotta shake
That was
things
literally
up.
unintentional.
Was it?
It was. All right, so here we are going to, maybe.
Oh, it's time for you to be the weakling like I was in that last video.
It's like suction cupped on.
Oh,
You're totally
it happens.
I can't get it off.
Vindication.
Oh, okay. Can you put this on?
I can.
I don't want to put my drink down. Peach, vanilla, apple.
Whipped. We have so many vodkas. How do we not have cake vodka?
Well, I think I drank it all. They had a book about
What
port.
is a Civil War bookstore anyway?
A bookstore that only carries Civil War books.
That seems like a really narrow market.
She had other things. Yeah, I mean, there was like models and paintings and...
What happened?
I drank it.
You done drank it all?
It's in my belly.
Yeah. Is there any more in the shaker?
No.
You sure about that?
Oh,
look.
Water.
Oh,
like
look.
watered down.
It's not going to stop you.
Oh.
Yeah, don't rip the...
Stick your hand in my shirt and help me.
Hey there. Fix that for you.
Oh, boy.
Woo.